Want to create stunning social media posts? This video is for you. Hi everyone. Welcome back to WebServe Global, where we bring you easy and creative tips to level up your professional and personal skills. Today, I will show you how to create a stunning social media post in Canva. So let's get started. Open canva.com and log in. If you don't have an existing account, create one by signing up. Canva's mobile app is also available, which allows you to design while traveling or on the go. Once logged in, you'll find many preloaded templates. This feature makes Canva a fantastic choice for beginners. Let's create a Facebook post. Select the Facebook option to open a blank editor page. From the left side panel, choose a template that suits your branding. I'm selecting this colorful design, but feel free to pick one that aligns with your style. Now here is the cool part. A complete customization is possible. Click on the blank part of the design and use the toolbar above to change background color. Adjust the text, font, color, and size according to your needs. You can also add additional text from the left side panel. Ensure all elements are aligned perfectly. Use the alignment guides to position everything neatly. Canva allows you to add images. Upload your own or select one from Canva's library. After adding the image, adjust its position, size, and alignment to maintain a professional appearance. Modify the background color, size, and shape for this image. For final touch, zoom in and out to ensure everything is aligned perfectly. Check colors, sizes, shapes, positions, and spelling. Once we are satisfied, click on the Share button in the top right corner and select Download. Choose PNG or JPG, which work best for social media. And that's it. You've learned how to create a social media post in Canva. I hope you enjoyed this guide. If you found it useful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.